I haven't pulled any changes. I don't know if it has been any. 2 days ago last fetch.
She's been...
Oh, yeah, he's been busy. Oh, I started streaming like this. We are not completely ready.
Oh.
Well, yeah, this is how we go pre-stream. I have a pre-stream it's like this today. I'm going to send out
I didn't know you actually started streaming. Whoops.
Anyway, so instead of having our starting soon, we're having this today. And we can switch out into Dog Cam instead.
I mean, actually get dog treats.
It's going to post on Discord. Claire's going to... She's getting treats, okay. Check products.
You look so awkward.
She does.
Oh,
Been a while. Hello, Joshua. Good to have you here. Welcome back. We've been a little bit quiet because we have a little baby sleeping, but, you know, hope you're doing well. Awesome seeing you here.
Hello, Josh.
Where else am I supposed to be going? Here.
This very awkward chihuahua with treats.
Oh. Oh, Nick is subscribed, Claire.
Thank you, Nick, for subscribing. Here's a treat. Random treat going in.
You're awesome.
Right.
Thank you so much, Nick.
Right.
Subscribe for 11 months. Wow. Almost a whole year.
Hey, Nick subscribed.
Good morning. Some love for that. Yeah.
Oh, so exciting. Nick subscribed. Nick subscribed. Oh my gosh. Nick subscribed. Thank you, Nick. Oh, like you told me, subscribe, Nick. That's very nice of you.
Claire, have you... Yeah, it's just sort of big nose, nothing else. I missed last time, but I'm in the office now to do some work, so I can have it on. Yahoo! Hope you had a nice breakfast with your family. It's 9:30, so yeah, we're on a bit later than usual. But I wonder we should probably move our start time to 9:30. I think, has it been 9:30 we've been starting lately?
Yeah, I think so.
We should probably go on.
We should probably change that.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. I think I posted on Twitter.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for subscribing, Nick. I hope you liked the more it snows.
And hello, Frozen Well. Hello, Shiny Deagle. Hello, Z. And Josh. Are you guys Swedish? We're Norwegian. Actually, it's, if I do this, it says right there.
This says there. Right. Okay, there you go. Right there in Norway.
Important fun fact. Hey, so I pulled in some changes. Hey, Gitta wants to update. No, you're not updating now.
No.
Z's been busy.
No problem. Looking good, by the way. Seems like forever since I last saw you guys. I know, we missed you so much, Nick.
Yeah.
And I've had my haircut.
By me.
By Kirster. In 20 minutes.
Because baby started crying. It's just like...
And thank you for subscribing. See, well, you know what's going to happen now.
More doggy treats. Oh, yeah.
Come on. You want to have your nose back in the shop?
Time flies when you're having fun. Oh, yeah. Subscribe for 14 months. No way.
You ready to say thank you?
Time does fly.
Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. I want to really put my nose in the camera, but I'm not allowed to anymore. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It's really nice of you. I'll even give you my paw.
Oh.
Yeah. Show me so awesome. Show me the treats today. We're so happy. So happy.
Oh yeah, I'm really happy about this. I kind of need to have a bit of a fur clip on my eyes, but you know, that's just what happens. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And you also get to Jogo struggles. Yeah. I'm actually just gonna.
Did you guys get your mining rig set up? Nick, yeah. He's been pretty busy building it in wood and everything. Yeah, it's been pretty cool.
I just like more.
But it didn't go as planned. Well, you had some cards running as far as I know, but not all of them. But yeah.
And I just love the dogs watching when I'm going backwards and forwards. So I was just fascinated.
I now have the PC I built last December in the attic running 8 3060s. Oh, that's crazy.
Whoa.
Yeah. Anyway, over to some game development. So
a bit more cozy, intimate time.
You want intimate time?
This is you can move your channel. Hello.
There we go.
My hair's all over the place. I washed it this morning and it's like bleh. So, there you go.
Should we do an intro?
Let's do an intro.
Hello and welcome to the Snuti
stream.
Today we're going to be doing some game development because we love you guys so much, and we are working on a little ice cream game about a little moose who is gonna spread ice cream love into the world. He'll be collecting his own ingredients such as blueberries, ice creams. He's gonna be collecting strawberries.
And he's going to be making ice creams.
And making ice creams and selling it to the world in the vast archipelago, which currently is one island.
Which is one.
And
some other random ones over there. Just
working. We're currently in the prototyping phase of the project where we can just experiment with tools and try and figure out like how to work. The plan is soon to scrap this entire project and then start properly or port over things we like.
We were discussing last stream whether we should go more towards humanoids instead of having Moosen.
And in the meantime, there's been a Moosen uproar.
Yes. Fryer has been upset. Z
Dan
has been upset. Dan has been upset. Everyone's been upset. So we decided we're going to keep Moosen. Moosen is going to stay.
I think. Yeah,
and also we were watching the Nordic Game Awards, isn't it called? What's it called again? Big piece, and it was called.
Yeah.
And they showed the live Mr. Pips, and somebody said, "Oh, what is a strawberry game?" And I was like,
yeah,
live Mr. Pips, come play. So that managed to stand out. I didn't win an award, but you know.
But even it was like a 3-4 second clip of the trailer, and that was displayed twice during the award thingy, and people were like, "What's that strawberry?" And I was just like, okay,
Mr. Pips,
we're gonna keep our moose.
So Moosen is staying.
Moosen is staying.
Moosen.
Moosen has been named after Timmy Starcall. Timmy comes with weird names for everything.
It's a Moosen.
And Timmy, if you're awake still, she's in Canada, so her time zone is a bit out of.
But we're gonna summon her.
Yeah.
Timmy, we summon you.
Code Artson, good morning. Hope you're doing well here in foggy Tønsberg, just like us. Yeah.
It looks like you just stepped out of a salon. Thank you so much, Rosen. Wow. All honor to Krister.
That's the first time I've ever cut hair in my life. But I cut a lot of dogs.
Yeah, we've had a lot of training with dogs.
I mean, it was kind of similar. Just like...
Excuse me? Excuse me? You didn't have to use the shaver. Nice job, Krister. I bought the 7490p mobile plus a G6 400 gold processor Pentium 4 gigahertz, and it has 20 to 30% worse hash rate than the other PC. So trying to figure out why that is. But in the meantime, it's all...
Oh yeah, so you have it running.
Yeah.
Well, it's not terrible though, even if you have a little bit lower hash rate.
I love those ginormous bananas on the table.
Yeah.
Grandma Agda has been, shopping apparently.
I mean, those bananas are as thick as her arms. Or thicker. Like, you want a banana? It's like, here's a leg.
Oh yeah, sorry Claire, that was for Frozen Wall. Yeah, I'm still going to read it out. I'm interested as well.
We need to know all the text specs.
All text specs, important.
Yeah.
I actually enjoy kind of reading them out. It's fun. No fog here.
So could we have also day-night cycle working?
Cycle, yes.
Or it's just day.
I love the sparkle.
And I've been asking Z about what this issue is. The main character slides.
He likes to go towards the blueberries. It's very, very important.
He just slides.
Gravitates towards blueberries.
Look at that on the sun there. Like,
that's this idyllic. Yeah. We just need to fix the the ocean a little bit so it's a bit nicer.
But yeah, I totally copied the Genshin Impact when I thought of these.
Why did we not, why did we not put, blueberries on there? Why did you make blueberries, Krister?
I felt I was a bit vicious and morbid to put actually blueberries. I mean, blueberry,
that's why he's going away. Oh, he's hit a collider now.
Yeah.
He's hit a collider. And good morning, Yummy Brown Rice. Haven't joined your streams in a while. Thank you so much.
Have a little guy over here. Where are you going, buddy? Oh, I don't know.
Go places. Hard to go see the sunset or run away. That fertilizer must be top tier for the bananas.
Yeah. So that's one thing, we're not going to have bananas grown in the game.
No.
Because it doesn't belong in the Norwegian fauna. So you will only find bananas like from shops.
On tables. Or Grandma Agda's house is very important.
Up here we have a strawberry patch.
Oh, I never saw that. Why
Yeah.
did you put that in? It doesn't look as good as our actual strawberry plant in Life of Mr. Pips.
Because all this is untextured, so the edges are, just polygons. But I'm planning to
I'm supposed
actually
to draw
make
them.
jagged.
Oops. I'm supposed to draw them.
And it also is missing the pips on the little strawberries. So
it's not. We're not using Mr. Pips.
This is not Mr. Pips yet. Yeah, you go, son.
You go, son.
This is the trees I've been experimenting with. I'm not quite happy with them, but they have something to
No,
them.
I wasn't quite happy with them neither. But I mean, I like the trunks and everything. I just don't like the textures.
So these trees are made in Houdini, and what you're looking at is just two different models. Actually, they're not unique. It's just that one, and yeah, these are the two different versions, and they're just like duplicated around.
Don't distract you guys too much with the mining nonsense. We're about making oatmeal for the kiddos.
Yeah, go for
Hello.
it.
Strawberry patch. Let's make jam. Yes, let's make jam.
I feel like it should be more.
Actually, some of the best ice creams actually do have strawberry jam in them. Remember? We had that.
Oh yeah, that's so good. Hey, and this.
Cheez-Its? I don't think we're going to be having Cheez-It ice creams.
Is here. I know if the word Cheez-It is mentioned. Good morning,
Good morning.
or actually good evening. It's because it's late at night for you.
I'm not too sure. Should we make it? You can make like cheese ice cream. That sounds a bit interesting. Ice cream jam. We should make a game jam where it's all about ice cream.
Or screaming, whichever.
Screaming. Ice cream or ice cream.
Yeah, interpretation.
It's up to interpretation.
Yeah. But one thing I realized we haven't featured very well in this cool boat is that we have the display of ice creams built into the side of the hull. So I was quite happy with how that turned out.
I really enjoyed that.
But yeah, obviously the ice cream
really
trays
awful.
are empty. But they're there.
I really like that little control.
Yeah. See?
It looks like a Tesla now when you got like the big monitor on it.
Yeah. Okay, we have a plan for today.
We do. We have a
That's rare.
Yeah.
We don't usually come to stream with a plan. But Chris had a moment of inspiration the other day.
Yes, and he wrote down a plan, which he doesn't normally do.
Shall I pull over this maybe?
Yes.
So if I maximize that. So here's our plan.
The plan.
We had make 3 beaches with NPCs sunbathing, make second small island with some resources, and put some rock reefs around islands. So here we got the island.
The island.
I was planning some rock reefs down here and some rock reefs up here. Make a beach here and a beach here and a beach there.
And what's the other part on the right there?
And that's the new island with some resources. So you can travel from one island to the other, get some resources and come back again.
But I thought the islands you were going to do it in Houdini. Oh, I just misunderstood it.
We're in prototyping phase.
Yeah, okay, so it doesn't
We're
matter what we
doing
do.
everything, whatever.
Okay, we're doing all that. Okay,
Yeah.
fine. Yeah. Because you told me off the other day when I was trying to edit the terrain.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, you said don't edit the terrain. And I was like, oh, well, I don't want to edit the terrain now.
Oh, I misunderstanding. Or maybe I wasn't thinking straight. I'm sorry. But either way, the beaches are an important part of gameplay because you're going to come with your boat to beaches. People are going to be sunbathing there.
Yeah.
And you're going to be selling ice cream to them.
It's important.
So yeah, we need to make some spots for sunbathing.
Ice cream jam, I think that's a decent theme. And Frozen Wells up for it. We should just make a Snuti ice cream jam one day.
Right.
And then the best game will be a mini game in the game.
That'll be quite
That'd be
something.
pretty cool, actually.
Yeah.
That would be pretty cool. I'll go eat dinner now. Have fun streaming. Thank you so much for joining us. Yummy brown rice. We hope you have a really yummy dinner.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us.
Well, it's nice for you stopping by and saying hi.
I like how you say that. Thanks for stopping by and saying hi.
Well, I'm upside down now.
Oops.
Okay. So yeah, beach here and beach there.
So the islands is like a fetch quest?
No, it's more like
Resource.
it's an open world. And well, we might actually have a quest related to it. But it was just planning that we put some resources there which is not available on the main island, so you have to go there in order to get those resources.
Yeah, because what we were doing is Grandma Agda, she's going to give you a bit of she's going to give you a quest where she tells you to gather, and you're going to gather from her little, blueberry patch there, which is pretty meh, but it works. And then you're going to learn that you can go obviously to the different islands and drive around in your boat and go. Whee! So
Yes, I think the first most important beach to create is this one here because the player starts here.
yes,
Which
well, they start on another beach, but yeah.
well, Grandma Agda lives there. You get the quest with learning about ice cream, and you get the boat, and here's your boat, etc.
Good
So
morning,
here's the
Dan.
first beach.
Dan got out of bed.
Hey, that's good.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hope you're having a great time. Oops, I managed to play again.
Oops.
Yeah, already our project has become slow.
Yeah.
Application, enter play mode.
Application check.
Tech. Yes. Okay.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Yes. Everybody needs ice cream.
Hey, also one thing we realized is that we've done something stupid, and that's we made all the items on the island a prefab.
Is that maybe why it's loading slowly, or is it just something random?
No, that's not the issue of the loading. But
Yeah, that's slow.
if you start going in here, and I was editing things, we were experimenting the other day. That
You need to click on the little arrows in it.
what am I doing wrong? If we do this, yeah, you see that
loads.
it's loading for every movement I do. So yeah, we should probably should we unpack that prefab?
Oh, definitely. I thought it already looks like it.
No.
No, it's not. You were
Prefab?
inside it.
Unpack.
Unpack completely.
No, because you don't want its children.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, okay, I didn't realize.
But
and we also have like a little error where like an underscore comes and replaces the first letter. We don't know why.
Yeah.
So instead of house, it's us. Usa.
Yeah. East tree. I don't know.
Re2 LOD01.
If you pull files from outside Unity in here, it
just
just
says-
and replace first letter with an underscore.
What type of art style are you guys planning on using? Realistic cartoonic?
Yes.
Yes.
Realistic cartoonic. I think that's a good one to
That's actually
describe.
pretty good done.
Yeah, it's going to be
We're not
called...
going to use that Toon Shader, I don't think. Or are we? We don't know.
I have been really tempted by Toon Shader to revisit it again. And especially after seeing Unity's open source project.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
And for those who don't know, you can find it here, can't you?
Yeah, I can find it.
Yeah.
Have they actually made the Toon Shader available then?
Probably. Because it's open source. I wasn't thinking about like stealing it. I was just thinking about that, like how it started looking.
Are they going to do multiple ones, are they?
I think so, yeah.
Okay. You can, where's the thingy?
You want to switch to laptop? Oh, it's not working today.
it's not
Let me see. Is it through the cam link?
Hello,
There we go.
Exopabyte?
So we call him Sopa.
Yeah.
Zopabyte.
Hello, what's up?
Hey, how are you doing? We're doing some game development here. And welcome to the Snuti stream. Hope you're doing well.
What is everybody up to this morning?
Yeah.
I see that Frozen Well is dreaming of eating ice cream. You know, it's 8:45 in the morning. Well, you know what? You can eat ice cream any time of the day.
Any time of the year, even.
Any time of the year.
Norwegians
Norwegians
love-
are crazy.
Ice cream during wintertime.
Yeah. It's like, it'll be minus, I don't know, 10 degrees and Crystal will say, I want an ice cream. I'm like, no. Just
For
no.
real? Yeah, for real. But yeah, this project.
This is the Open project.
And if you...
No, go to get the first project, I think, is that?
I mean...
Yeah, this is all like open on GitHub.
Here we have toon shading. But they only have it on the characters, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think this looks really great. Also, they have an outline shader on it
Yeah, okay.
as well.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people using outline shaders, and I really like Rick, who has like Tiny World's Twitter.
Mm-hmm.
He does lots of outline shading, and it looks so cool.
Yeah, but he's done it with the hack.
Blender, yeah.
Where you create a hole around the character which has inverted normals.
Yeah.
But
See, this is a bit different.
this is
I
a bit
think.
different.
At least the great thing with having it open source is the fact that we can like look at it and analyze it. And I really like their planning. So Z was sending me the other day their videos, and I was watching through it, and we were talking a little bit about whiteboxing and how to whitebox our levels. And I watched it, and I was so inspired, apart from the fact that it was 10 o'clock in the evening and I was exhausted.
And then you forgot about it the next
And I
day.
forgot about it the next day.
That's inspiration strikes at weird times.
It does. I should have just run with it. So yeah, so I got really inspired, and we're gonna probably follow a little bit about trying to do whiteboxing to make it a bit easier for Krister, Z and everything to start working on the project at their like own pace if they want to add different things. Because when we were doing Life of Mr. Pips, I found it really nice to just place stuff around. And then Krista would go and add those little extra details. I'm not exactly the best in like The Sims, where I like spend a lot of time adding these tiny little details. Krista's the one who does that. So I just like mock it up, and then he would come in and add more. So that's what I'm probably going to do again this time around.
Unless you make Houdini do all the hard work.
Well, yeah, but there's certain things you want to add, like these little polishes and...
Yes, of course. We need some artistic control.
Time to get some Ben & Jerry's. Breakfast, lunch,
is it-
dinner, midnight snack.
Shadergraph based, or is it shader code? I have no idea. Actually, that's what I was trying to look at. I don't know. But we can maybe find it in... we can dig it up another time. Here's a project. Assets. Art, probably.
I'm pretty sure they were using Shadergraph, I think.
I don't know if they even... Oh yeah,
Shadergraph
lots of shadergraph
adjustments.
stuff there.
Toon Shader version 2 in progress, HLSL meta,
It's all .shadergraph stuff.
Toon Shader done. Go up. Toon Shader done.
Well, that's the commit.
Yeah, I know it's a commit, but I was just having a look at what they were saying on it.
Well, you can actually click on this commit then. This Toon Shader.
Ground mat is a material there.
Oh, it's a big commit.
Oh my gosh, it is. Interactive props.
Materials.
That's the only
props.
thing, like, Git commits with Unity are a bit messy.
Sometimes. Tree mat, load mat, it's a lot of work. PNG files, controller.
Time to research. Yes.
Get inspired. I have no idea. EXR files.
Yeah.
Let's try to see. Yeah. Okay.
Universal RP up there. No, up. Universal RP.
At least you're using
That's it.
URP.
Yeah.
Conclusion. Proof right there.
Custom lighting shader graph. That's just custom lighting now. I guess it might be. Yeah. Ambient light and blend in. It looks like it.
Should we just try this? Dot shader. Character tune V1
Yeah, shader graph, shader graph.
So
There you
it's in asset shaders. Let me just open that file. No, it doesn't want to do that. Okay,
No, it
at
doesn't.
least not
Oh.
where it's located.
There you go. It didn't know.
Assets,
HLSL are shader files.
shaders, custom. Yeah, those are custom
Yeah.
shader files. But it did not. Oh yeah, we're blind as bat. All this tune here.
Blind as a bat. It's too early in the morning, apparently. Well, our little one sleeps through the night, so we're satisfied.
So we
can
might
sleep in.
actually yoink some of that stuff.
Yoink. Or at least like look at it and see how we can improve our own one. 'cause,
What's the license on this? Apache 2.0 license. Yeah, seems legit. Yeah, permissive license. It's good. Okay, let's get back to it, shall we?
I did really like how we did it with Life of Mr. Pips.
Yeah.
So I think we can definitely like compare them and see what we could do to improve, because you had a few problems with the lighting.
Yes,
The-
our tune shader wasn't the best. It was
It
alright.
was good enough. So is this the beach?
So I'm planning to make a bit of a reef out here.
Oh yeah, okay.
So it will encapsulate the beach a bit better.
I read permissive. I'm good with that. Yoink.
Pretty much.
TJ was cute. Whee! I think Dan is just writing "we," so I had to say it out loud.
Of course.
I gotta go. It's super late for me. Before I go, I'm gonna say this: we need another Moosey-copter. Thank you so much for joining us, and yes, you will get more Moosey-copters. Don't you worry.
Thank
It's
you
probably
for
gonna be like a
tuning
little
in.
helicopter pad, with lots of moosies.
Yes.
So, hope you have an amazing weekend, and
Yes.
a good evening, and see well. That's important.
Where is the... I want the beach. No, the ocean. Have we restructured this a bit? I don't see the ocean.
I think it is in Geo. I think it's in Geo. I think.
Why would it be in Geo?
Well,
Oh,
it's in Geo.
It's clearly
so,
in Geo, okay.
I mean, that's the there I could assume.
But anyway, I want to do this and populate the cache, because then you get a better feel for
Yeah,
where the
that's true.
beaches are. And it seems like it's ignoring this.
Does it maybe not have
Does it need to be...
It's not enabled, Krister.
No, it's not that. It doesn't need to be hooked as static for it to be included.
Maybe.
If I do that, change children, sure. And then we go back to it now. Nope.
It needs to be layer names terrain.
Oh, that's
That's why.
it. So all rock stuff, can we just do rock?
If Chris could spell rock.
Rock?
No, it's not how you spell rock.
It's hard, alright. Rocks. I'm gonna grab
All the rocks.
these rocks.
So you need to put them into the terrain then. There you go.
Right. Change children. Yeah, sure.
Do we need to have it as static then?
I'll do it to static as well.
Okay. Static. Chris wanted to be controller today, so he got to be
Hey.
controller.
Yeah, I just felt like I want to.
Chris doesn't like me like zooming around, like having no idea.
There we go. See?
Okay, yeah, that was better.
Now you get like a shore effect and everything.
Can you do it in the prefab that you make it as the default layer is terrain all the time?
I think so, and that's what
I
we
can't remember what you can do, yeah.
So if I click, wow.
Yes, you.
Oh, I have locked. That's what. I've locked the terrain layer.
Yeah, okay.
If I click on this one, go to prefab, select assets. We have 5 rocks here.
Yeah, do that then, and go to the prefab. Yeah, you can do terrain. There you go. Yes.
Obviously, this is just like temporary rocks. We haven't made these. I got them off some asset pack, and we plan to make pretty much everything ourselves in the game. But in the prototyping phase, we're doing a combination of making our own stuff and occasionally using some assets.
Because actually one of the things we really liked is when we were making the game resale with Nick and Z. We actually did it where we placed everything we wanted as just like pre-made assets from Kenny and I think it was Saturnius.
And then last day of the Jamos is like,
remade them all.
I don't want to have the credit anymore. So I'm going to, make it all.
Well, we didn't make the music, so, but yeah.
That is true.
But we wanted to make sure that like all of the stuff, because we'd learned so much when it comes to modeling. They were like,
we
just make
scored
something.
well in the art section though.
We did, yeah. So it's like, yes.
I want this in global space, not in local space. Let's see.
Oh man, that rocks! You're dealing with rocks.
Yes.
Okay, Christopher's slow this morning.
No, I'm not slow.
Hello, Bizmaster!
Hey.
Welcome back to being our pun master for today.
Hope you're doing well this morning. Welcome back to the Snuti stream.
The Snuti stream. Winky is really snoring loudly.
Oh, she's a little stormy.
She's a little snoremator. I think she kind of maybe got inspired by our kid who was snoring last night.
Can I just get this pop plate cache a bit more available? And why is it not doing these models now? They're terrain, they're static. Oh, is it because it's outside?
I might be outside of it. Does that matter?
Yes, apparently so. Because actually this thing has... you can also see the resolution here is a bit low because it is actually resolution scale and it's scaled to 1000. And if I scale it up to like 1500, 200, you can see here.
Suddenly got better.
Pop plate cache. No, that
didn't.
screwed everything up. Okay, it needs to be 1000 apparently. Okay,
Why did it was 1000, not 1100?
Brain is not always functioning well.
Which side is the seaside?
Oh yeah.
Well, apparently outside of the mesh.
Yeah, this is good enough. We need to make this into a beach. I want another rock here, I think, so we can really get this beach encapsulated.
Encapsulated. Chris is using big words today.
Hey, I felt I ran through my tea way too fast.
Yeah, I've still got plenty left.
I'm already out of tea.
Did I put the baby on the Johnny? I did.
The little one is snoozing today.
He probably won't snooze for long. He normally snoozes for about 45 minutes in the morning.
Yes.
And then,
it's going to be baby time.
He's also mastered the art of speed rolling.
Please explain, what is speed rolling, Claire?
What is speed rolling? It's not speed running. It's speed rolling. It's where he manages to go from his back to his front in record time.
Ah.
And that basically is enough time for me to turn around for 2 seconds and turn back again, and he's already rolled.
He's getting really agile for being 4.5 months. Yeah. He's soon crawling, actually.
Yeah, he was frustrated yesterday because he wasn't able to move his legs. So I just left him for a bit, and then he managed to do it. And I was like, yes, you can do it. Just got to struggle a little bit.
Okay, I'm going to modify terrain now. Can we get... some...
Chris is allowed to modify terrain, but I'm not.
Don't be upset now. Embrace all over terrain.
For now. Conan is ready to go on adventures. Yeah. I mean, we have everything ready for, making sure he can go on adventures, but we don't exactly have the best apartment for baby proofing. At least Morris, he kind of respects the baby gym area. He doesn't go on the baby gym. And he just watches what Carlin's up to, which is kind of nice. But Carlin's in a grabbing phase. So he grabs onto Winky and Winky doesn't like being grabbed.
Poor little chihuahua.
I'm just like, okay, don't grab chihuahua. This is how you do it. This is how you stroke the chihuahua. Winky. Yay.
Okay. How's that?
Hello, Benedicta. We did not do any baby proofing, really. All we've got is, what do you call it? A playpen. So we're going to have to set that up. That's up in the attic right now.
So good morning there up in Oslo. Hope you guys are doing well. It's nice for you guys to join the stream. Benedicta is soon celebrating
1 year.
of working on her side business, which is POW, the privacy first menstrual cycle. Pow, pow, pow.
Wow. Yeah.
It's becoming like a really cool project to support and seeing it in development as it progresses. She streams every Sunday, so
Yeah,
if you
so she's gonna be
guys
streaming
heading
tomorrow.
over to Snutiland, usually we will see some links and stuff.
Yeah.
Snutiland is where we're all hanging out, getting to know each other, and having a good time. So
Oh, yeah.
if there's lots of internal talk that you are not following along on,
It's probably because it's on there.
it's on there.
So come try. Come try and sneak around.
So yeah,
So all the best stuff happens.
it's very, very nice community. I'm so happy. Makes me so happy.
Oh yeah.
Populate. There we go. What do you think about this beach? Should we give it some waves?
We should give it some waves.
Right, I'm just gonna, because that's really cool about ocean inputs here. You have Gershner patch.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, that patch.
That patch. Because we have a patch over here. Well, it looks low res in this angle.
Everyone says pow 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 and good morning, Friar. You weren't here when we told the stream this morning. We're gonna keep moosing
Yes.
a little moosey. We've
because
decided
the
because
uproar of the kitties.
yeah, we wanted to make sure that Grandma Agda was still Grandma Agda.
And for those just tuning in, we can just do a little recap of what we plan to do today. Because we were having it open here in Slack earlier. We are have a plan from our Slack session where we plan to make a beach in, well, can't point to the screen, hang on. In the bottom left area of the thing, we also plan to make another beach up here and then one here, and there's some rock reefs around and another resource island. So the player, because this is a game about gathering ingredients, making your own ice cream, going on the boat and being the ice cream boat driver you always dreamed to be.
And being a moose copter, very important.
Yes.
That's a feature.
If your antlers just decide to take off. Yeah, and you obviously need some customers on the beach to sell this to. So yeah, we
Really, those customers are just gonna be running around like crazy.
need.
Oh, but Z was working on. Okay,
Check this out.
check this out. Check this
Check
out.
this out.
Check this
Where do we find it? Is it in my creative blog? He's been posting
Yes,
it. So we have also a really cool my creative blog on the server where we're tracking people's progress. Oh, gotta do this, I think. So Z was discussing if this animation was a bit over the top because he's hand animated it, the moose coming up, where it does an extra spin, you know? See that? I think it's really lit, but his antlers are just like defying gravity or any
Yeah.
laws of physics.
Can
Unless
you minimize that?
unless we make them floppy. But
Benedicta says that she is not doing a stream tomorrow. She's doing a birthday stream on Monday night.
oh right,
That makes sense, yeah.
Monday it is.
Monday. Frozen Well, thank you for doing the creative vlog. It's motivating me to do game dev every day.
That is awesome. I'm so surprised though that everyone, you see that little fire icon? That means that people are streaking.
Yeah.
It's not intended to be like
That sounded really dodgy. People are streaking, as in like, running around naked. But no, it's not that. They're just
Hey, you can see Richard's work here. Finish my let's make Space Invaders live stream. Started by trying out some vector art. Never really done before. That's really cool if that's your first vector art.
yeah, that is really neat.
Oh yeah, this.
Are you streaming only on YouTube, Frozen Well?
I believe so. I haven't had a chance to catch the streams.
Moose Copter Mem must not die. Perfect animation. Indeed, we like it. Needs trail renderer. Antlers. Oh no, Nick, don't give the ideas.
Okay.
Don't give the ideas.
So, yeah, this is not quite the ocean I'm looking for here. I wanted some calm waves to hit in, not this.
Yeah.
But you can customize that here. This is so long since I've done that. So you have different presets.
Thank you for subscribing, Benedicta. And you know what that means?
Well, no way! Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You know what that
New
means?
sub. New sub.
Right.
And now you can use all the cool emojis. Oh yes. All the emojis for little Snuti stream.
You just put it on dog cap.
Oh yeah, sorry. I'm
Right, right.
too excited.
Get mine, don't knock. He's going to totally knock over. Yes, this is This is why we need a bigger house. So what do you guys think?
Thank you so much, Benedict, for subscribing. It's very, very nice of you. Thank you for the treat. Oh, you're awesome. Yeah, you're awesome.
Oh, thank you for subscribing. This is absolutely awesome. It's the best thing ever. 3 treats in one day. Wow. Thank you.
Maurice too joining avocados.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, this is awesome. So much treats, Winky. We're so lucky today.
Oh, yeah, give me treats.
Hey, we have had 3 subs. We had Z, we had Nick, and Benedicta. This stream is going places today.
Oh, yeah, we can just go.
You had to record your own Wii and post it. It's a tradition for new subs that just started today, Claire. But our baby's awake.
The baby's awake.
The baby's awake.
The baby's awake. The bub is awake.
Should I go and fetch the bus?
Yes. The Bubsy Beans. We might be able to calm down, but I don't think so. He sounds a bit too enraged. I'll turn off the baby. Whoops, wrong button. Ah! There you go. I missed a bit of the chat. Just YouTube for now. Are you going to be, Frozen Wild, are you going to be going on Twitch as well, or just YouTube? Doing lunchtime retro game remake stream and Ghost Blaster development some evenings. That is awesome. If you were on Twitch, we could raid you afterwards. Welcome to the Wii Club. Mars joining too for the cuddles. Had to get all the emojis. So thank you so much, Benedicta. And thank you to Nick and Z as well for also subscribing. We can have lots of cool credits today. Everybody subscribing. You now have to record your own Wii and post it. It's a tradition for new subs. I just started. Yes. Yes. Oh, I need to do that. I need to note that down, or it's going to get forgotten.
Oh, you're recording right now, aren't you?
What? Yeah, but I won't remember it. I'm not going to go through the entire stream afterwards.
Well, obviously, he could clip it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's
Good
that
idea.
easy. You just need to
easy.
weed out. Guy's gonna clear a throat up, get the Wii going.
Post a Wii record here. Thank you so much for subscribing. There you go.
I've
done it now.
Push the CNC button.
Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. We're not going. We're not static. I love the fact that that's our terrace before it was painted white.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. Better than the Milo and Otis movie. Do they have Wii's in there? I may do Twitch, but just try YouTube for now, or I might try dual streaming. Dual streaming would be really, really cool.
Not recommended though.
Well, it's not recommended, but we think Twitch is better because I get notifications all the time. I find Twitch is better at getting notifications than YouTube. YouTube just likes to tell me 2 hours later. I'm like, thank you so much. I just missed the
I
stream.
feel Twitch has better interaction.
Yeah.
Audience interaction. They're really strong on that.
Shall we? Everybody just wants Wii's. And Carlin's just like, Wii? Yeah. He's smiling because he's doing Wii's. Yeah.
Word.
He loves his Wii's. I don't know what Chris was trying to do with this. Oh, these ones are better. Shoreline. Oops. Why are we not using the Shoreline ones? Moderate smooth. Ooh. I heard Carlin say Wii. Did you say Wii, Carlin? he doesn't know how to say Wii yet, but he will be saying Wii very soon. It is better, but I do see that streams are keeping YouTube happy, so my channel is not deemed inactive. Oh, okay. Yeah, we kind of... Whoa, that's one big wave. That was just weird. Yeah, we kind of been posting a lot to our bonus for our streams, and a lot of people have been watching those afterwards. So we might end up moving them over, I don't know. We'll see what we do. Betty loves his poos as well. He loves his Wii's and his poos, yeah. Oh, you're smiling. Oh, you're such a little charmer. Yeah. Oh, Snoopy. Hello, Snoopy. I feel like I just want to keep this massive wave just for fun. So I just put moderate smooth on, and there's this ginormous wave that just came up, and I was just like, I don't think that's moderate smooth.
Well, it's... Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Coming in hot.
One thing I wanted to ask Benedicta is, do you find that you have a lot more retention, or like a lot more viewers now?
Claire.
Is that like... Wow.
So the zone ends right there.
Do you have a lot more viewers on YouTube now? Or do you find it still a bit hard to be discovered? I just wish I could get my act together and work on all the stuff I want to do. Still need to edit 10 videos from last December.
Oh.
Nick, you need to start working on your videos.
Nick, only way you're going to do it is if you to put first things first.
Yes.
I thought you were going to complete my sentence, Claire.
No, I wasn't. I didn't know what you were going to say. I thought you were going to say if you're being cute. I was like, what? Why do you want to say that?
Had a weird pattern going on, so I'm trying to modify the.
Moderate to smooth tsunami.
Yes. Pretty much. See, this is more what I'm looking for.
I have so much other stuff I want to do. I think it's also not having a good workflow that keeps me from making more content. Nick, you just need to have a Claire to tell you what you need to focus on first. There you go. Job done. Benedict is still a baby YouTuber.
Huh?
She's still a baby YouTuber. Baby YouTuber.
Okay, I think I'm quite happy with that.
Yeah, that's
It's starting a
better.
bit far out though, so I think if I'm correct, it has.
Frozen well. Nick, just do it.
Yeah, okay, it's that large. We only want it to be like this.
The ocean is splitting. Very smooth. Nick's like, yeah, come here. Thanks, could do with some extra hands. No, Nick, you need to come here. Norway's way better.
Is there like an amplitude thingy? Wait. Oh yeah, so you can
Yeah.
actually turn it off and on.
Yeah, there was one that was off.
Oh, I think this is fine. I'm quite happy with that.
Yeah.
Aren't you?
Yeah, I just think it's a little pixels, but it's fine.
Yeah, we
It's
haven't
bothering
worked,
me slightly.
we haven't
but
worked on the shader.
No,
We will have to just look past
work on
that.
it. Look past it. Look past it. It's a prototype.
Yeah, but I just wanted some waves, so this feels a bit more like a beach. Now we need some beach chairs, I think.
Betty Search is picking up the streams as I have different topics. Ooh, that is really good, Benedicta.
Oh, that's clever, yeah, because YouTube has a very much organic traffic in a way.
Oh, yeah,
Twitch
yeah.
does not.
No, that's not good.
Um,
But it's good for raids.
do we not
and
have a
things.
beach chair around here somewhere?
No, we don't. I think we had a bit of a beach over there.
No, a
but
chair.
A beach chair.
Yeah, parasol.
If we do,
How do you write parasol?
I think just look for chair probably. Beach.
Do we not
There you go.
have the
Beach bag, beach cabin, towel.
Well, we have a beach towel. That's a good start.
Do we not have the chair? I thought I had the chair here.
Let's go to this folder, shall we? That is a
We
surfboard.
can all get a Claire to help with productivity and overscoping. Yes, I can just, clone myself and job done. Job done. I think everything is just gone on the floor. Do.
Oh, there, it's called sunscreen, not the parasol.
Hey, such a big little boy. Huh? Yeah. Yeah.
These assets are great for this. Oh, we even have a sandcastle. That sandcastle looks awfully familiar. I wonder where that could possibly be from. Well, it's obviously Kenny and Nell who made it, but we had this in Mr. Pips as well. Yeah,
Both kind of very animated today. I don't know, Winky's just like watching it. Okay, you can switch. There you go, here's Sophie.
it's called a lounger, Claire. Not,
Look at Winky. Kristen. And dog cam. Switch over to dog cam.
oh, sorry.
Can I just stop?
What's going on? I see you. Winky. Dan is making Winky into Winky. Uh-huh. I think we're supposed to be doing...
They're supposed to do game time.
Yeah.
I actually need to go watch this anyway.
How you doing, little one? You enjoying your little playtime? Okay, I lost my hand now. My Advent of Code videos still get some views every day. 40 minutes of watch time, that's 28 days. Ooh, okay. So much to do. Speaking of which, I need to do some work and stop chatting. Cappuccino time and then some. Yeah. Work it out. Winky looks confused. Poor little cheek.
Yep.
That's a very
It's
exciting.
a very excited chihuahua.
Yeah.
Clairebot.
I think should we make the beach flatter? Is it flat enough?
I think it's flat enough.
Okay.
If you want to have a bit of a slope, so you can just go nicely into the water. Winky looks confused. Yeah, poor little Winky. Winky.
Are these loungers too small, maybe? Oh, it'll be what they are right now.
Hello.
We have also lifeguard.
Lifeguard cabin thingy. Ooh, that looks kind of neat. Yeah, just something you would never have in Norway.
No, we would have, if you imagine this more as a boathouse, it would
Yeah.
be. But yeah,
I didn't realize you put the camera back on. Hello, camera.
Yeah.
Hello.
camera's back on. We could have it though, because in Norway it would be like, you would have the front here, and then you'd be able to jump into the water.
That is true, yeah. That is
And it'd be less of a ramp up to it. It'd more be more
like that, and then you'd have like, the
yeah. There we go. Fixed it.
it's a bit thick.
Looking a wee bit thick.
What is with those rims there? Oh,
I like,
this is
I like some of it though. So. Can you maybe make it bigger? Is that too big? No, I think that seems a bit big.
A bit big. Have you read all the trend?
Maybe.
Even my Advent of Code videos by Nick?
Yes, that one I read.
Okay. Winky's decided to stretch. What are you up to, Winky?
I'm not sure about this.
Fallen on the floor, Mimi.
Doesn't feel right.
So I need to investigate. Investigation.
Ah, we have beach ball. That looks familiar as well. One of the game it could possibly be from. But we did retexture it actually in Miss Pips at least.
What did we retexture?
The beach ball.
Oh yeah, the beach ball. It also had a beach ball sound. Is there milk coming out?
Now we just need to make all this look a bit more legit. I don't like that parasol so much. Okay, so we're making a beach today.
You haven't got your headset on. Whoops.
No, I don't. So if somebody's subscribing, I would never know.
Lego man. Hello, Lego man. Let's go like. Oh wow.
Good on you, Claire.
Lego man. Lego man. Very blurred Lego man. Lego man. Winky's just like. He's a Lego man, Winky. I'm just doing other stuff other than looking at what Chris is up to.
Yeah,
He's probably put in some wheeze in there and I don't know.
that'd be crisis.
A bit crisis.
I've heard something fall on the floor. Oh, that's probably fine. You still sleep, little one?
This yarn in. So you're gonna have some moosins on there?
Gonna put my surfboard behind the sun chair. People do put their surfboards in the beach like that, don't they?
I think so. I'm not sure. Anybody have experience with beaches?
Well, not much on Norwegian beaches maybe, but we did have quite a few surfboards actually at Malmö where I used to live.
Oh, okay.
They were actually a whole surfboard rack. But
Really? But
we
not
didn't-
really any waves.
Not waves to surf on, but more like with wind.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, but the sails wasn't there, so you need to obviously the owners had the sails, and it was just we kids used to steal their board and play with it.
Kids. What is everybody up to today?
Are you having a productive morning, or are you having more of a lounging morning in your sun lounger
On the beach.
on the beach?
Your imaginary beach. You to imagine you're on the beach. You can imagine the sea waves.
See you,
Hey, where did my shark disappear?
your shark. Which shark?
Well, I used to have a shark in the game. It suddenly disappeared.
You talking about the?
Shark in the game. I had a shark in the game.
Sounds like Crisis.
That's not a surfboard. That's just what you want to think. It's really a moose-copter rotor blade.
Ah,
Of course.
I see where this is going. Dun, 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 dun.
Making an animated background for someone. Phew. What's the animated background for, Bizmaster? I'm working on my vector art card. That's awesome.
Hey,
Very well.
people are having a productive morning. See, I made a moose copter. The rotor blade. Yeah, that looks pretty legit. Not impressive. Okay, I'll delete it.
No, you're keeping it there. You're keeping it there.
No, we're not
No, you're keeping it there, and then you need to have a moose copter attached to it. This is going to be our screenshot Saturday.
Sorry. I need more of these, I think.
Less work, more wee today.
Is this beach starting to look a bit more populated?
I actually found out where my inspiration for wheeze came from.
Fireman Sam. Yeah,
Yes.
okay. We can't show that on stream
No, I can't show it on stream.
because that's
But yeah.
copyrighted content. Anyway,
yeah,
we were
it's-
sharing it in our Discord, just a YouTube link. So if people want to see what we're talking about, it was in general chat here.
I think it was
yesterday.
Farm and Sam.
Right here. That's what we're talking about.
So as a kid, I watched Farm and Sam, and that's where all my inspiration from Wheeze came from.
Yeah.
Krista just loves the voices on there. I just think it's hilarious as well. I don't know whether the modern one is any good. I like the old one. Yeah. And newsletter writing and trying to get Monday organised.
Claire, have you seen?
Oh.
It's not a two-sided shader. So the underside of the umbrella is just like...
Well, that's how
this
you get proper, you can still see the sun.
that's some high technology right there.
Yeah, exactly.
It blocks the sun, but you can still see the sky. That's what you need.
How is the Monday organisation coming along, Benedicta? Have you got everything all set up?
Should we just make these materials two-sided? It feels a bit hacky, but I mean, it's a solution here.
Far is happy with your little helicopter.
Where's the two-sided thing? Front. Both. I'm sorry, every orange material, for doing this to you. We are... Never mind optimization. Render both.
It's for somebody's website. It's awesome. Good to have a productive Saturday. Yeah, my thumbs up are coming in. I'm just like, where am I not?
For those who ever work on 3D models for games, always make sure that you have two-sided meshes.
Can I have my water, please?
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you. It's kind of empty, but thank you. Hee.
I feel like there's not enough sand on this side. It looks a bit too grassy. What do you think, Claire?
Oh, you're so cute when you yarn. Oh. I'm sorry, no, I'm not paying attention. What's up?
I think it looks a bit too grassy on this side, I'm saying.
Well, yeah, I mean, you need to paint it so it's a beach color.
Exactly.
I mean, obviously.
We'll get that going. Yeah, is there enough props there now? Maybe another beach castle?
You're missing a blueberry. You're missing a few resale models. And you're also missing a moose copter. There you go.
Is that good enough?
That's good
You
enough.
happy now? Okay, I was
Probably
thinking more
good.
like, like a toy.
Yeah.
Is that what you meant?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Okay.
I can't like it.
Because we had that in Misfits.
We did, yeah.
Had like a little toy boat. I like that it
That's
actually has a rigid body and everything, box glider, and it has all the
Yeah, because it's used on the other boat.
Okay, so how does this function if we just scale it down like that and then
Display?
throw it in the ocean? I'll be like, go little boat,
Oh,
survive.
that'd be so neat. Yeah, this would be like motorboats. You know where you got like, the ones which you control and they can move around.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I can
Let's
do
just
it.
see if it survives the ocean
Have you
first.
saved? Yeah.
If it's saved.
Mr. didn't save the day any lost work. Oh no, it was with the prefab it was.
Prefabs
Don't do that.
don't do that.
One happy thing for sure, I'll be exhausted Tuesday, but happy exhausted.
Hey, that's a good type. Hugo boat. We believe in you. It's kind of stabilizing.
Yeah,
It's having a bit of a rough time.
You don't think it's stabilizing, Caroline? No.
Hey, what if you
Yeah.
take it over to some less
What did you just do?
okay. Untis is flying out of clip. Okay, stop before it crashes. I think I tossed it into infinity.
Whoops. Let's just leave it there. Let's just make lots of them there.
No. They didn't behave nicely. They can stay on.
You want to have more sailboats? You want more sailboats? Yeah, I thought so. Caroline wants more sailboats.
And you see the waves are clipping through here now?
Yeah.
That's goes to ocean cached that I was messing around with earlier.
Isn't working properly, or?
It clears between plays, but the thing is we
Oh.
can bake it out to a file, but since we're modifying all the time, we're not going to do that. I like how the sales is like, oh, interesting.
Finally managed to figure out a way to change bound sub FSM at runtime. What's FSM?
Finite state machine. Figure out how to change bound.
Poor dogs.
sub-
Plus zero support. It was fun times. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. Poor
Okay, so
documentation.
Z's working on the NPC behavior to come. The NPC should come over here and sunbathe.
Oh yeah.
I think that's what he's talking about.
It's like when it's poor documentation now.
Yeah.
That's like the one thing. Like if anybody makes anything which is like open source or usable or assets, then make sure to have good documentation. Have people test it out. This is really irritating when it's not good.
There we go. So, does anything else here have a collider?
Cheery.
No, they don't have a collider.
I wish you could smile on stream, but little baby isn't going to be on stream, I'm afraid. But he's very smiley.
Our happy little one.
Happy little dude. Yeah.
Okay, that has a mesh collider. That has collider now. This that also has a mesh collider. That's good. Does this have a collider? Yeah, that has a mesh collider. Okay, I think everything has a collider now. This one even
But it doesn't have any sound effect.
sphere collider.
You can't kick it. It doesn't make a sound.
Are we gonna have another recording session with the ball here and hitting it with a spoon?
Oh yeah.
A wooden spoon?
Even Carmen agrees.
Yeah. That happened stream how long ago? Half a year ago?
Just before, I think it was 2, 3, 4 weeks before I gave
Launch?
birth. Yeah. So I had my gym ball. Yeah.
I had my gym ball. Yeah, because you were using it.
I was using it. Except I want to have pluggable finite state machines that is set by the thing you interact with, i.e. the sun chair in this case, instead of having everything in one big.
Yeah, so he's talking about when you make an NPC behavior, it can get really messy, tangle of like everything the NPC is supposed to do, but he's trying to make them into like subsystems, so you can more easily like take a behavior and plug them into where you need them.
Oh, that sounds clever.
Instead of having the entire logic in the state machine. So that's...
Where is your...
I'm sorry if I botched the explanation, see.
Do you need a bump there? Or do you want this?
Should we have a sailboat here?
I don't want to actually have a bump, otherwise it's going to make lots of sound.
Is it called buoy?
Buoy! It's B-U, I think.
B-U-Y. That's called buoy.
Y.
Oh, I mixed
There you
it.
go, buoy.
So I was wondering if we should have a buoy out
I think we
here.
should have a buoy. Buoy.
Wow, that was...
The word I find very, very hard in English.
Yeah, buoy is a trick.
Buoy. Nope, that's pretty accurate. You did well, Krister. You did well.
Should we have it out here? Because I'm planning to attach the sailboat to it. Oh, we forgot to
you
put
now
the,
can grab all the way over to that.
forgot to put the life buoy over here.
Very, very important. They keep getting stolen all the time around here.
Oh, yeah. We have them around our lakes and everything.
Yep.
In the area.
Oh no, it's spaghetti machine. Spaghetti.
Well, that's exactly what we're trying to avoid, I guess.
Yeah. Is that actually a spaghetti emoji?
Pasta.
Pasta that.
Pasta that. That is cool.
Small boy. Hello, probably Spoony. How you doing?
Probably Spoony. Hello, Spoony.
Why have you changed from Spoony VR to probably Spoony?
I guess it's less VR going on these days.
And more probably Spoony?
More probably Spoony.
It's a high probability of being a Spoony.
Yeah.
Actually, the finite state machines offer animation system, behavior trees for behavior.
Oh, sorry. Did I mix them up?
They genuinely have a ginormous one. That sounds good.
I was planning to actually have a sailboat moored here. Because it just feels a bit more like the world's alive if you have things in it.
Have it then. I love how everything is now.
But it would be
on
really
the floor.
cool if I could actually moor it, like with a rope, and then it would behave if you crashed into it, and then it would, you know. We did that actually in Resale,
Yes,
the
that
game
we did,
jam,
yeah.
because when the boat entered the finishing line, they couldn't leave
No.
the finishing line, so I made an invisible tether using a joint spring or something, or
Yeah.
spring joint.
Yeah, I remember that.
I wonder if I can just actually add it onto this one.
I'm going to try and recover all the 3 items.
Here we go, spring joint.
Full on the floor.
Ooh, and could we
2.
make an empty here called
Heather.
yeah,
Yeah.
like that, and then I'm gonna place the tether at the front of the boat, so it's attached at this location. Yes, perfect. So not just attached in the middle of the boat, because that's weird.
That would be weird.
And then
So instead of having an anchor, we're having a tether. Basically.
It won't be visually represented, but I was thinking maybe we can then
Well, that's because it would be an anchor.
pull this one in. Oh, it needs a rigid body. That one has a rigid body, but I guess it can't. Oh, no, it doesn't. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does.
You can't nest it. Can you do an offset on it? What happens if I put a rigid? No, that's gonna be.
Try.
I think that's gonna mess things up. Okay, we'll try it.
Oh, Chris decided to sidetrack.
Oh, connected point. Ah, I could just have offset that. So if I just take 0, 1, 39, or this
3.39.
3.39, and then tether the actual boat.
3.39, 3.39, 3.39, 3.39, 3.39, 3.39,
3.39, right? And then we can delete that tether.
I have to go home. Enjoy the rest of the stream. Oh, thank you so much for joining us, Nick. We hope you have a really, really nice time with your family, and thank you for subscribing.
We're gonna put in some noise removal because that's a lot of.
Did that? You didn't turn up. There you go. Do
Now it's on.
you still hear us? Yeah.
RTX voice in action.
No win. Thank you so much for joining us, and hope you have an amazing week.
Yes. Great
And
having
if
you
you
here.
didn't catch it before, Anna said
We missed you last week.
I think it's the last 2 weeks.
Yeah,
You've been good.
been lonely.
Been lonely. Well, it hasn't quite been lonely. It's been lonely without you, Nick. And Stream Elements want to tell us what they're up to today. Maybe you're working on something cool or taking it easy. Say hello and let us know. Funky Monk just rated us at 9 viewers. Thank you so much.
Awesome, Funky Monk. Welcome
Welcome.
to the Snuti stream, and every raider that is awesome is hosting a party of 7. Yeah, that is neat.
So what are we working on?
We are working on our ice cream game about being the ice cream boat. We
Be
are
in the ice cream boat. Now,
Yes.
We've got a moose in the huset.
well,
The
yeah.
ice cream boat.
our
You should
little-
an ice cream boat.
well, here's the moose.
There's a moose.
Here's currently the main character of the game. It's going to be probably customizable. Here's the ice cream boat with ice cream displays on the side of the boat.
I was going to ask, did you have a really, really nice stream today, Funky Monk?
Yes.
How was it? And thank you, everybody, for joining us. Friday, is the buoy full in the boat, or is the boat attached to a static buoy?
That's the plan. Static buoy with boat attached, which is what I'm attempting now.
That's a moose if I've ever seen one.
Oh, yes.
It's also got moose copter functionality as well, so you can just go.
Funky Monk, he does some really cool stuff usually on his stream as well. He does game dev, but also other things. But we'll see. What have you been up to today? Tell us how your stream has been. So I really enjoy hanging out in your streams as well when I have the chance.
Funky fell asleep, haha.
No.
Did you fall asleep on stream, or did you just fall asleep right this instant?
Because you're on the opposite side of the world, aren't you? Much.
Anyway, we have RTX voice on because the little intern is making a lot of, sound.
It's going bang, 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 bang with his little toys.
Thankfully, you guys don't need to hear it.
Hey, let's just see if this behaves.
Yeah, he fell asleep on stream. I'm pretty sure he did have a good stream. Came back in, and the dude was snoring. Oh, well, Funky Monkey, even though you're probably not here right now, we hope you sleep well.
I like that our boy just fell down. Where did the boy go? Boy! Oh,
I had to do my mod duty and raid for him. Thank you so much, Grumcake.
oh really? That's hilarious. Hey, Cupcake, you're awesome. That is quite a story.
I have to say thank you for raiding us, Crumcake.
Yeah,
Yeah.
good choice. I hope Funky Monkey's having a good rest.
I like this boy. There you go. It's
That's some weird anchor point. Oh, that's the anchor point we wrote, isn't it? Maybe I put it in the opposite. I was supposed to not put there, but in... Yeah, okay. And maybe the spring droid is supposed to be on the boat and not on the buoy.
I think we're kind of getting started, but
Copy component. Oh, you mean this is not what we're supposed to do?
this is not what we were supposed
But I
to do.
won't explore it, alright?
Okay, Chris wants to
It's a
explore.
very important explorative word.
The boy is challenging his inner copter. Yes. Everything in the game will be channeling their inner copter. We should make that an achievement in the game.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so this rigid body is
We're
supposed to
going to
be
have achievements in the game.
kinematic, so it doesn't move too much. We go to move with waves, but we're not gonna have it move with waves. It's gonna be a static ball.
You're welcome. You're all super fun to watch. Oh,
Aww.
thank you. Oh, I made a day. And Carlin's is distracted with something else. He hasn't covered all this
Hey,
stuff.
you know what? Yesterday. Should we tell about yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
Nothing happened yesterday.
happened
And that was the problem about yesterday.
We were supposed to get, you know, an email saying whether we got funding or not. But that didn't happen. So we're upset. It's probably going to happen on Monday. And yeah, Krista like wrote on the Discord that we were probably going to get a response about our funding. And yeah, we didn't. We're upset about that. So, but we're crossing our fingers for Monday. That we'll get a response.
Yes, I hope so too. Why is it not doing anything? Is the boat too heavy? Does it need to be stronger? Spring 10? Is it need to go like 1,000? Yeah, now it's doing
Now it's
something.
doing it.
There we go. Oh, look at the boat springing back. And let's make little ripples behind it. It's so neat, this water thingy.
Oh, I love it. We're using an asset called the Crest Water Asset thingy. So it's just called Crest Ocean, I think it is. And we really, really love it. It's really good.
That is neat. So now it's actually attached. But I can make it probably a bit stronger.
So it's complete. Good things are worth waiting for. It's a sign.
Yeah, I hope
Thank
so
you,
too.
Frozen Well. Yes, we hope so too. We really do.
This funding is supposed to last for 3 months, so it's the end of May. And then we're going to be applying again in April. So it's not going to perpetually be applying, but this is the first one. We're trying to,
Otherwise, we need to improve our application or for the future.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hear a lot of baby. I don't know if you guys hear a lot of baby.
Do you hear a little baby? Because we hear a little baby.
But yeah, this
At the
works.
moment, he has like a little outfit which has C on it. C is for cool, and we're like, no. C is for Carlin.
C is for Krister. C is for
C is
Claire.
for Claire.
Yeah, C is for Can Terrier.
And C is for Chihuahua.
C is for... You can call every family member we have with C.
Yeah, pretty much. If you want to call Winky a Chihuahua and you want to call Mars a Can.
It's by design. Our family is designed. I think that actually works fine. Right? Look at that. So if you crash into this boat and were to push it out of the way, it would basically settle back to where it's supposed to be. Whoa.
They hear baby sounds, but it's fine. It's fine. It just adds to the...
I'll actually, it's pulling in the front, you see that? It works. No,
Not good enough.
the tether point.
C is for cute, corny, coding.
Aww, we're the cute corn coding crew. That is the biggest compliment. Okay.
It should be more. It should be corny. It should be cheesy. Cheesy.
Okay, we have this
He
working.
doesn't agree with cheesy. Winky is a cute.
Let's play the game.
We'll play the
The
game.
game has a lot of gameplay, a lot of action. Not at all. That's a lot of cute sounds. So,
Until he starts screaming. That's the part I don't like. It's the screaming.
you
Can you pick
currently,
up the notes?
yeah, you can pick them up, but you don't know that you've done it. So you press F, you just see it disappear. But we should have like,
I just pick them up all at once. It's not like 1.
I was thinking about doing them 1 but I decided against it. I think it's, what is it? Okay,
They're just
it's
going out, or-
interacting with the empty ones instead of with the full one.
But don't we have anything to hover over it to shade it?
I have removed that feature because it was changing material and I didn't want that. I think it's better to have like this in a way.
Yeah, okay.
I think I prefer that.
Okay.
So when you walk up to a banana, it comes up with banana.
Can you pick up a banana, please?
Yeah, you can go pick a banana. If you wait the whole day, it doesn't want to pick it up. Come on. Okay. Invalid editor window, Unity
I
fallback.
think that's had that for a while.
Ready?
Yeah, I had a nice shower.
That's
awesome.
good.
Showers are good.
That is probably not there.
I don't think it's the error. I think that's been there for a while.
Let's go and see if we can pick up some strawberries as the sun is coming up. Look at that beach. I need to do some texture painting.
Yeah,
down
we
there.
do.
But, okay, so it does work here.
I think you need to have it so it changes the material so we know.
No, I think that they should come with the text above it, what it is.
Oh, yeah, sorry, that was it. Sorry.
Yeah.
I just talking about trigger comment.
For the time being, we should be implementing it how we want it.
I'm going to give him a bit of attention.
I don't know why the bananas are not working. Don't know why the bananas are not working.
Oh.
Oh well. Bananas not working. I was planning to head on to the beach. This road is so pixelated.
Do you not like the beach?
Oh, the ocean catch thing is not functioning either.
I don't think worry about that too much.
I just want to see it correctly. Get the right feeling for it. Save cache to file? No. It didn't generate cache properly. Oh well, it's gonna be tall waves here. Yeah, we're missing customers.
Missing customers, yes. Customers, queue up now.
Can we go and craft? I like this
I love this as a whole room.
hovering boathouse. Hello, Henrik the Snoozer. How you doing? Couple of...
He's just still saying it needs ice cream.
Need ice cream! Yeah, this was work from a couple of streams ago, and it's currently bugged out. What? Did he just...
Did he just move?
I can't continue.
Oh, okay. Then maybe check the console.
No errors. Because I don't think that's an error related to that.
It might be that. No, I doubt it.
It's not. That's a different thing. Oh, I can click on the little thingy. Oh, so you can
Yeah,
click...
that's what you're supposed to do.
Oh.
What did you try and do?
E, click, F.
No, you've got to click on that.
On that little icon. Sure. We have some room for a UX improvement.
Good. He's enjoying actually watching what we're up to. Can you do crafting in there yet?
I like that. You can decide to... Why am I walking on air now? Is my character model offset into the air or something?
It might just be the collider on that. Is bad.
Oh, it's probably bad collider, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a bad collider on that. Why is the moose drifting when he's standing still?
Hey,
We don't actually know. Yeah.
that's one of the features of the game right now. I like also it's drifting on the boat a little bit. Alright, it's quite stuck to the boat. I guess that's what C's been working on. Trying to get the character controller to actually follow the boat movement and stuff like when you're on the boat. And that's why I have a bug currently where he's drifting when standing still.
See my
Okay.
fabulous feet.
I press F at the steering wheel and I get to drive the boat. Let's go! Starting to feel more like a game. Oh.
Oh, that's some turbulency.
That's some turbulency.
Can you craft ice cream? Again, the slide-in starts when you use the teleporters. I contacted the ICC also, but no reply.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, sorry, I forgot that too. But no, the sliding actually starts as soon as you launch the game. It's definitely there where when we're talking to Henrik now, you can see it clearly as well.
We're talking to Henrik.
Henrik the Snoozer.
Henrik the Snoozer.
Let's test out our tethered boat. Check that out. Oh, it's pushing us back. That is nice.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
So pushing the boat away and then it pushes us back.
Not here. Z doesn't have that problem.
That's strange why it's only on my one.
Is he using a different scene maybe?
Yeah, it's maybe working on a different scene.
Okay.
I don't know. See, tell us.
Z knows all.
And here we coming in hot for selling some ice creams. Oh yeah.
Like that.
I have parked perfectly. And if you park like this,
This feels just like another
this is game over. You can't get it.
Oh, it's not like in Mr. Pip, so we can move backwards.
You just need to wait for a wave to come and kind of grab the butt, and then you can try to reverse. There.
They should probably make it that you can actually reverse.
Or not get stuck on land. Maybe they should have a jump button, like.
Yeah, it works for me.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I managed to get myself out.
I'm in the boat. Fishing scene. Did you put a little TM trademark symbol? Works for me, yeah.
Works for me, TM. Nice. Oh, the game has music when you're selling though. Can you press C to sell at any point or something?
I think we did that.
So if I'm standing here in these crazy waves,
Try this out. Oh my
that
Jesus.
character got some stability.
I wish I. Oh, he also doesn't get washed away. It's a feature. That's what they said.
Isn't it? Oh yeah, we need to stand here, interact with... Oh wow, you can walk straight through that.
Isn't it medicine?
Whoa, okay, I'm selling now. Oh, he's selling at an angle. Look at that. Oh, I can still drive the boat while selling.
Yeah, I think that's what we decided we were gonna do.
Oh yeah, of course. Because that makes more.
Strong core, Moose goes to the Moosin can do, I don't know.
I wonder if he's just sitting there noting down like, yeah, okay, bug 1, bug 2, bug 3, bug 4.
No, it's probably just like, I'll do it later.
Feature.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I love how you just fling some saliva at me, Carter.
Okay, we got the game going for us here.
Well, what happens when you craft ice cream?
I think anything you interact with in the game should have that hover. So I like craft ice cream.
It's just like-
that just throws an error. Yeah, so that's a legit error.
Yeah.
Probably we haven't hooked up the UI properly. But
I think you actually interacted with the hut. Didn't add cell in there, yeah. Okay.
oh right. So I was just basically okay. Because when you start driving the boat, any position the character is in is just locked. No matter where he is. So I'm driving the boat.
You're driving the boat.
I mean, like, it wasn't too bad an idea.
Moosey showing some Chad moves.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, poor Sophie. Wow, poor Sophie.
Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no.
Bye bye.
See you later. Gotta restart the game now. Okay.
We could probably implement that thing with
There is teleport.
for Mr. Pips where you can teleport all the way back up again.
Yeah. Because
Somebody fell through the floor, didn't they, when they were playing live one time?
yeah, I mean, it had many times. We have that what do you call it? Easter egg.
Easter egg.
Yeah, at the beginning of the spring level,
Yes.
where there's lots of blueberries, and if you get trapped in the blueberries, you just fall through the floor.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, I think I should be back now for a bit. He's
So then we have implemented the fact that it will just teleport you back up again. But why did the character start swimming there? Oh, was it because I was maybe up the map? 'Cause
probably.
does it only swim if you're like in the... Okay, I'm tempted to try it out now.
You should probably snap into position or something, but maybe get stuff working first. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, we're getting stuff working bit by bit.
I love I have a headset and I'm not listening to anything. I don't know why I got a headset off.
So you know when somebody subs or raids or stuff like, because it comes.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's
Somebody,
the side effect of going to the gym. Too much. Muscles are dense and one moves sink fast.
I just wonder, once you swim off the terrain, is that what makes him fall down?
Maybe
Yes.
you moved outside the ocean collider.
Yes, that's Ocean Collider. That is scary. That is really scary.
That's really scary.
Okay, so
You just, went off the edge of the world.
the ocean just ends here.
Yeah.
But it's cool that the ocean still functions outside it though. And like for the boats, just
Yeah.
not for the player.
I'm going to take a quick toilet break. I'll
Okay.
be back.
See you later. Yeah, me and Connor are gonna be hanging out.
He's actually quite content. So he's so cute.
Yeah, I was gonna do some texture painting. I forgot that. And paint, texture, material, no layers. I like how our grass is little. What do you call them again in English? Rosenkål. What is that called? Oh man, yeah, the name of this has slipped my mind. Oh, look at that sand. Yes, bring on some sand. Brush size. Need a bit more brush size. Yeah. So I wanted the first beach to be really close to where the player starts, so you can see clearly that here is something you want to explore and interact with. Obviously, we probably plan to redo everything later, but we're trying to do a prototype to see how the gameplay is going to flow, and I think it's important to have some interaction points like this. Yeah. And this is mountain. I don't like the mountain rock texture. Maybe add in all the layers.
The intern is upset with your painting. The chat or
I'm not having a good job.
the character uses ray crafting to check if it's in the ocean, while boats just use buoyancy all the time. Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprout. Thank you so much.
Brussels sprout. Cabbage, Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprout.
Brussels sprouts. Why have we got Brussels sprouts?
Because they're important for the grass texture. It's made with Brussels sprouts.
Really?
Yes. It had the right shade of green that I liked. The Brussels sprouts.
Brussels sprouts.
Yes.
Can you turn on the transfer him over to doing some tourney time? For yes, food time. Yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna paint some of
You ready for some
that
tourney time?
here.
You ready for some tourney time? Oh no, he's not ready. You're tourney time.
Maybe it looks alright with this one, like... No, that's not right. Yeah, I'm gonna get this to be the right color. So I'm thinking.
You're just gonna hear squeaks all the time now.
Yeah, not sure if the screen is picking it up or not, but... Opening up Affinity Designer. This is our island. No, that's not the one I wanted. I want this one. I want to change that that color. That one is this one here. Rock number 1. We have some inspiration for our color palette using another game, which you can see in the cider. Which was we saw it on the Twitter. Really cool people working on it. I don't remember the name right now.
I don't finish the game.
No, well, it was a prototype or something, wasn't it?
No.
Ah, okay.
Ah.
Amazing. Isn't it this how I'm gonna export it? Export slices and export it not into YouTube thumbnails. Nope. We're gonna export it into... No, wrong game. Here we go. Ah, okay. Which folder is this? Textures, terrain. We have everything so very well organized in this project. I like our
Foliage.
Foliage folder is called Foliage.
Foliage. I'm a water.
So export those. I mean, it's not great, but it's closer.
Intern disagrees.
Intern disagrees. No, that's cute.
That's super cute. That probably wasn't picked up.
Ah, this looks so bad, but hey ho.
Hey ho.
We're in prototyping phase. It can look bad.
I'll white box it later. No, you won't.
No, but this is, yeah, the texture blending being these pixel boxes.
Yeah. Don't have a high texture.
Yeah, I'm not going to redo it now because it's way too much work to change that. Yeah, where were we?
We were making a beach. You made a beach.
We made a beach. Well, we've done that.
We're still missing like 2 more beaches.
Oh, I plan to make another island here, but this is the end of the terrain. Oops. Because I made the island.
Why do you make it on the other side instead of there?
Yeah, I'll make it over here.
Yeah. That's what I do.
And if anyone wondered, this is how we made the island. We did actually make a texture in Affinity Designer, which looks like this. Where this is the height map of the island. And then I made that into a texture brush right here. And then we stamped that right in. So here you can see, look. Ah, that didn't work. Need to actually set height, I guess. Set height, sample height. There we go. We have a second island now.
That's what you on the other shoulder.
Can we do brush rotation?
You like making lots of funny sounds.
That does not look like the same island anymore,
You
right?
scratch your nose. You scratch his nose.
Nobody's gonna recognize that's the same island. That's quite nice. That sounds like one sleepy baby.
I think it's more.
Oh, is he hungry, huh? Smooth heart.
Sit back in your little space.
Sculpt. Where's the flattened slope I'm looking for? Is he saying the fact that we should be ending our stream?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, he needs his meal time.
You need his meal time.
Is that the island I'm looking for? Something like that.
He really doesn't want to put that.
No, we'll switch, and we can then end up concluding today's work. The big boss has spoken, as Dan says. Well, we had a good session, though.
Actually, what have you done to this little island?
Isn't it good enough for you?
Somebody disagrees.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna smooth the trainer so we can actually call it Dun Dun.
Oh no, sad faces.
Oh, it's maybe a bit too smooth. Nah, I think it's fine.
Nice blowing bubbles. Yeah.
That's cute. Let's look
I would
how
like to ride that boat and see.
ride a boat and see where island. Well, one day you will be riding that boat. We're hoping to have some like playable demos out and stuff like that.
So we can get a bit of feedback on whether like crafting and exploration is fun. We're going to do that a bit on itch, aren't we?
Probably. Hey, we got a second island. Should we commit our work?
Yeah, let's commit our work already.
What are we committing? All of these will not change. We only changed rock 1 actually, so I don't need to update all those. Discard. Changes. So when you re-export a PNG file, like even if it's identical, it still changes the file.
It's strange.
So Git is like, that's a different file. I guess it compresses slightly differently or something.
Floaty fun future bound.
Yes, indeed, floaty fun future bound. Oh, we are really struggling with finding a name for our game.
Yes.
So I'm gonna put some inspiration. I think those were funny words. Floaty fun future. Name ideas. What did we have the other day as well? We came up with something.
Moose cream.
Moose cream.
That was it, moose cream.
And the main character was going to be called Moosen after teammate. No, I don't know. We need to find a name for the game.
Yeah, we do.
So if anybody has name ideas for what a game about ice cream boats can be called,
Raspberry ripples on the ocean.
there we go.
And I mean, like, if this doesn't become the name, then name of the game. It's just going to become quest names.
But
Raspberry ripples on the ocean.
That could be a quest name.
Ripples on the ocean.
Hey. But at least maybe some of the words could like make it into the title or something. It's just hard to make a name around ice cream.
Oh wait, didn't we have? Oh no, we were singing like ice boaty the other day.
Yes, ice boaty.
The quest to appease Grandma Agda's rage.
Yes, Friar.
How are we going to do that?
How is that going to work out? And for anybody wondering what on earth Friar is talking about, we need to head over to our fan art channel, where Friar has drawn a very happy Grandma Agda, which is
that strawberry ice cream? That's
fan
strawberry ice
art interpretation of Grandma Agda. Look how peaceful she looks. She's just missing her hat. We are going to make a quest.
I'm going to make her hat. I've been doing a lot of Blender the last few days. So I'm going to make a hat.
Yeah, we're going to make that hat and make a quest about the hat.
I'm
written the
very
quest.
funny not. Yes. I wrote the one with the seagulls that have stolen Grandma Agda's hat.
Yes. Dan is suggesting wee cream. Maybe on the stream in the future we'll decide on the name, have a vote or something. I don't know. It's a bit many eyes in this wee cream.
Yeah, I think about at least a minimum of about 6 wees.
Can we do wee scream?
No, it's cream. This maybe isn't, being captured on the RTX voice.
Oh yeah, we can turn the noise cancelling off now. We need a channel for names.
Yes, we do. We do.
Hey, we have just... I can actually just do it right now. In here. We are looking for name suggestions for the game so we can brainstorm better. Feel free to drop names here.
Because the life of Mr. Pips was, man, that was really, really hard to come up with, wasn't it?
I don't know.
I can't see the chat.
Can't remember how long it was took us to come up with that. We scream for ice cream. Yes.
Dan has already typed in.
Moody's Bizarre Adventure. Oh, no. Now that sounds familiar to a certain other bizarre adventure. He's always referring to JoJo, which is the next anime we're going to be watching.
Yes.
Because Dan has been raging on about it. And for anybody who wonder what JoJo is,
That's definitely not it.
this is not it. JoJo Bizarre Adventure
Not
games.
adventure games.
Oh, close enough.
Close enough. You didn't know there was a game.
We're talking about this.
Stop.
This anime.
Game of Cones.
Does
Does that mean that everybody's gonna die then? I don't want that. Are we gonna make it a better one? Winner right here. Yes.
Game of Cones. I like that
Game
a
of
lot.
Cones.
Or it's like,
Well, the thing is, if we have a competition, it makes lots of sense. But we can't have anybody dying. There's not gonna be any dying.
okay.
There's evidently gonna be the wall. Mm-hmm. You know, that's
The ice cream wall.
the ice cream wall.
The great wall of ice cream. Yeah. Sure.
Because it's gonna have like lots of, old posters for selling ice cream on it. And then there's like this little, where they have it in the wall where you can go in and out, That's gonna be like a little area where you can buy ice cream from. And that's your competitor. And secretly he's a wild troll. I don't know. I just come up with things on the fly here.
I mean, it even makes sense if we're trying to steal the throne from the big ice cream producers. Yeah, because we don't know if the game's going to be about the competition of like mass production ice cream versus like handcrafted, and
Yeah.
you are like the handcrafted one, kind of fighting.
Like Jojo Mart in Stardew Valley.
Yeah. Or if that's not the focus, yeah, we're going to try to figure out these things with the prototype.
Mr. Pips, the sequel, becoming ice cream.
That sounds so morbid. No.
And we were thinking about having like in the game somewhere somebody has like a plushie of Mr. Pips.
Oh yeah, that'd be cute.
And
Or maybe
a
we'll find
plushie of Blueberry.
an island of living berries.
Yes, an island of living berries.
Yeah.
And then if the player tries to pick them up, they'll be like, "No, not food.
Yeah.
Hey, grab your hands off me."
Hey.
The circle of strawberry life. Sea sides of ice cream. Oh, that's cool as well.
Seasides of ice cream. See, that is a bit like proper title actually. Not just a joke.
Game of Cones is going to be like the core,
That could be a quest.
the main quest line. Game of Cones.
Yeah. Seasides of ice cream.
Like, I mean, when you play games, do you like it when they have a really witty title for the quest?
Oh yeah, I love that.
I do too. Moose of the Caribbean.
That is cool.
The name ideas is getting longer and longer.
I think I'm gonna clean up a little bit. No, I'm gonna keep them.
No, we're going to keep them, because then if they don't make it, they're going to make it into quests, of course.
Yeah, that is true.
This is why we like streaming the development, because it gets kind of really cool stuff.
You guys have made much more name suggestion ideas than we have done in 3 months.
3 months. I'm impressed. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you for being epic. This is the tale, Captain Jack Antlers. Hey, we can have something about antlers at
Oh,
least.
that is so neat. Sunday sailing.
Hey,
That is so cool. Oh,
oh my, that
was
is
a good
That is
title.
genuinely good.
that's good, man.
Man, that is good.
That is good.
But it doesn't have a sail though. Maybe the ice cream boat could get a sail.
Yeah, but sailing doesn't necessarily... sailing on the seven seas.
I think sailing always referred to a sailboat, doesn't it? At least in Norway it would.
Yeah, I guess so. Well, that took a bit longer than expected.
To make 3 months to come up with a name while we haven't come up with it.
Or was it to make the Hobby
Oh, yeah, he said he wanted to
Breakfast.
make breakfast for the
no?
kids, didn't you? Yeah.
That was quite a while back.
I'm trying to
Chat allows you to go that far.
I'm trying to scroll back in chat and see. Yeah. Core Artisan, welcome back to stream. It's been a while.
It's been a while.
We're currently coming up with names for the game.
Can you scroll down to the bottom? So it's
Yeah, it's on the
okay,
bottom.
it's there, okay.
Got a
Gotta add
sale.
a sale just to make the name work now.
Yeah.
The boss is getting impatient. We haven't come up with a name yet.
Well, he's talking about the new manager.
Yeah, the new mini manager.
The little intern.
Little intern.
Yeah, you're so cute.
Yeah, and ended up playing with them, watching some TV and just chilling.
That sounds good.
That's awesome. Name for the game.
For the game.
The name for
Which
the
currently is just codename Ice Cream Game.
But we've got some really good ones from Game of Cones to scroll down. Sunday Sailing, Seasides of Ice Cream, We Scream for Ice Cream, Ice Ice Boaty, Raspberry Ripples on the Ocean, Moose Cream, Mooses of the Caribbean. Hello. And this is the tale of Captain Jack Antlers. I think that's totally going to be a quest.
Seaside Sunday. Could that be like a name? Like if you combine the two. Anyway, I'm going to continue brainstorming on this, in the future, I think.
Yeah.
I think this is really quite interesting.
Yeah, thank you for all the great suggestions, guys.
And if anybody wants to drop... Yeah, Richard is dropping one here.
That's
Game
the
of
thing
Cones
I was
or Raspberry of Ripples of the Ocean. Yeah, thank you for dropping it in here. In the Ice Cream Bowl channel on our Discord.
right here.
Right here.
Which I'm pretty sure everybody here is joined to, but yeah. Ooh, you scream, who scream? I scream.
Well, that's certainly going to be a quest.
That's gonna be
So, not game title, but quest title, sure. Need to be a little bit marketable.
It's actually great inspiration because now I can start coming up with more quests, which is gonna be really cool.
Yeah. And for talking about quests, we have... Well, okay, should we say this for next stream?
What are you gonna say?
That we've been trying out Obsidian. This cool program, which is kind of like Notion, except it's based all on Markdown, and you have it all just locally on your computer, but we are syncing it with Git.
Yes.
So when we're doing changes here, it's just Git committing Markdown files. So it's kind of like a knowledge hub, and you can link things, and you can see, for example, like in a graph, how our different characters and quests are connected together. Now this is in not
That one, there you go.
so that,
Yeah.
okay, so yeah, here you can see tables. And yeah, we haven't done much here, but we started experimenting a bit with it. So this is like the quest setup here, and the dialogue for the quests, etc. Yeah. Because we found out Notion, one thing, it can go offline because it's online always, and it's hard to track changes with it. The ideal thing with this is the fact that we can see if there's been done a change to the quest actually updated to all the places, because it's Git history on it.
Yeah, because Chris was trying to like write a bit extra for the quest, and then he was like, "But how do we find out if there's any changes?" And I was like, "You can do it in Notion easily, but it only tracks it for 30 days.
Yeah,
So then you don't really know what else has happened."
exactly. So that makes it very complicated.
Stream day.
Saturday.
Saturday. Okay.
Making a beach. Beach, not breaches.
Breaches on beaches.
I can discard that change because that was just me opening this up.
You are one heavy little one.
And I think I commit that now.
Could be the horror mod with zombie mooses.
I'm gonna hit save. I'm gonna save that and close up Unity. Sunday with chance of sprinkles. I like that, Dismaster. Thank you. That's
Sunday with the chances.
that's good stuff. Okay, I think we're gonna wrap it up here and call it
I
a
think
day.
you can go onto camera and I'll just be off camera.
Can you just maybe baby zoom in?
I don't think he's going to be happy with that. He's unhappy being put down right now.
Okay.
So,
I'm gonna do the outro by myself.
yes, you're going to be doing the outro by yourself.
Okay.
You need to just...
Oh, we need to find out who I'm gonna raid as well.
Yeah, you can use Mr. Pips as like the alternative me. Or do we have Sophie? Where's Sophie? Sophia, I'm here.
So if you can join in.
We're going to use Sophia today.
If you have any suggestions for who to raid today, then let us know.
Let us know.
Right now.
Great stream. Have a good time. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much, Frozen Wild. Hope you have an awesome day as well. And everybody has an awesome day.
I see Jules Schrader is streaming Oriole Games,
on the left?
Mercenary Mage, and
Any suggestions, guys?
also just gonna raid the usual suspects. Oh, Funky Monkey's still online. I'm just curious now. Is he still sleeping on this? Is he still sleeping on stream, or what's happening here? No, it's hosting us. Inception. But it's good that you didn't raid a mod while he is having his little snooze.
Oh, that was crazy Inception, man. Okay. Mercenary Mage.
It's been a little while since we raided Oriole Games.
We also have a look in science and technology.
Oh yeah, I can just go into science and have a look. See if oh, what I just do? Okay, we minimized everything.
There you can ask one
My tidy desktop.
Do you want to go into camera if you want to, or onto...
Oh yeah, I'm back in business. I'm gonna throw on the credits while we're here hanging out. Hello.
There's Sophie beside you, so... Oh, Winky's having her sneezing fit again.
I'm just having a look through who's in science technology right now. Study Marathon, Cyberpunk Game Dev. What should we check that out?
Thank you for the subscription, the Benedict Lee, and
Yes! Awesome! Thank you so much, guys. And there's somebody doing some Cyberpunk game development.
You need down for a few minutes, Carly?
Maybe that's interesting. Somebody called VexFX.
He seems to be satisfied. We got a few seconds.
Seems cool.
Looks cool.
We're rating somebody new.
There's a spider going all over it.
That is freaky.
Oops.
Wow, my cursor is bugging out. Raid. I need my headset.
Oh.
Enjoying the music. So, thank you so much everyone for hanging out with us today. Hope you had fun. We sure had fun. Thank you so much for all the game idea, name, title suggestions.
Yes. And title requests as well.
Yes. Fun making a beach together and, you know, testing out the little sailboat which is tethered and all.
Yes.
Hope to see you here next Saturday. Week. And, you know, if you're wondering where to find all our other streams, they're on our bonus channel. And you can come and hang out with us in Snuti Land. And if you want what games we're making, of course, they're over on itch.io and dropping every link down. And if you feel like starting a game development yourself, you can just head over to Game Dev TV and use our affiliate link to get 85% off your order. They have some new Unreal courses actually on multiplayer in Unreal.
Yes.
So yeah.
And also have a drawing course, I think, as well, come out recently. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I think it was. I'm not sure.
So heading over to Wieland and we'll see you there.
Oh yeah. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for being here. And we hope you have an awesome weekend and week ahead full of game dev, awesomeness, and productivity. And if you want to join the creative vlog, then be sure to check out that Discord.
Yes. So, until next time, have a good one. Let's raid this guy and see what they're up to. Bye-bye.
Bye.